Hello everyone, this video I'm going to teach you auto layout and constraint. Okay, so in order to do that I'm going to open Figma. So this is a blank canvas, completely blank canvas. So I'm going to press F on my keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to press F on my keyboard, and there are lots of like pre-built frame available like iPhone, Android, desktop, and blah blah blah. So I'm going to create a manual frame. Okay, so I just created a manual frame. Okay, so this is a layer panel, and this is layer panel. Okay, so now inside this frame I'm going to create another frame, F, and okay, so firstly I'm going to change this frame color, white to something else like red, and I'm going to create another frame. And here there is no any color, it is transparent because I don't have any fill. Like if I just go there, and here there is no any fill, there is no any stroke, no effect, layout guide, and uh, lots more. So I'm going to just click on add fill. So when I just click on fill, so it is get a color. So now understand this layer panel very smartly. Okay, so here you can see that this is the main frame, and inside this there is another frame. Okay, so now if I just make it like bigger, so it is not responsive, like it is not also getting the uh, space, it is not getting the space divided. Why? Because it is not set constant. So if I just click in here, and here in the position section, here in the position section, okay, so firstly just get it read from the option. So here maybe you have like this. Okay, so if I just show you, in this position tab there is a option like this guy. Okay, so now if I just click there, there is another tab open, like constant tab open. Okay, so constants tab open, and now I'm going to teach you uh, what is constant. Look, this is a left, this is now set to left. So left, and here is a line, it is attached to left, and it is top. So this line is attached to top. Look at my mouse cursor. So if I just make it like this, it is not working. Why? Or if I just make it like this, it will be work. Okay, it will be work. Why? Because it is attached to left and top. So what should I do? I just click it here, and left to left, right, and top to top button. Okay, so now you can see that our this is like it is getting bigger and getting uh, space, it is the resizing automatically. Okay, so now I want to take this guy in center. So how we can do that? I have to just click here, and here in the alignment tab, here you have to click here center and also vertically. So now it is completely constant, attached. Okay, so you have learned how to use constraint. Now I'm going to teach you auto layout. So firstly, let is little wider. So in order to teach you auto layout, I'm going to press O, and I'm going to take one. So and Alt. I'm going to hold Alt key on my keyboard. Alt and drag. Alt and drag. Okay. So you can see that I'm going to just make it auto layout. How we can make it auto layout? So uh, if I just if I would it a group selection, so it should be attached. This guy should constant with not this. It should be attached to parent, because any element on your Figma layout will be constant with frame selection only, not with group selection. Okay, so although works with group selection, but it is limited. Okay, so I just click here and shift with shift, and if I just make it shift A, like shift A. So now it is auto layout, and now I'm going to go there and left, right, top button, align, center, also center. Now if I just go here and resizing, look, this is resizing, but this guy is not resizing. Why? Because there is a problem. What is the problem? Because it's automatically selected to center, so I have to click it top button. So now if I just if I drag it, and it will be work. As you can see that it is working. Okay, it is working. And now what is, how you understand that this is auto layout? This is auto layout because if I just click here and alt, look, this is automatically increasing. Alt drag, this is automatically increasing. Okay, so I have to just like this. Okay, so as you can see, the here is option called gap. When I am just dragging it here, this option is working properly. Okay, so that this is the, and now let's see how our is working or not, our project is working or not, and this is completely workable. Okay, so that's way you can set constraint and auto layout in your Figma, like button section and sorry, button component and lots of other component. So thanks for watching, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.